Hi, I'm Gavin Smith and I'm a product marketer for the RF Industrial team. And today we're here to talk about a very special device, the MRF13750H. This device is the industry's highest power RF transistor for microwave generators with 750 watt CW at 915 megahertz. It is designed for narrowband ISM applications from 700 to 1300 megahertz. We came out with this device to replace magnetrons and enable ease of use for our customers. For 915, we are targeting industrial heating applications such as heating, sterilization, pasteurization, food processing, targeting drying, moisture leveling, curing, welding, and heat sealing. Taking a look at the block diagram overview, you can see on the top right our RF heating example, where you have elements going through a conveyor belt and RF heating is being used. Below, we have RF welding. You see two elements being bonded together using RF energy. For 1300 megahertz, our target market is particle accelerators, also known as cyclotrons and synchrotrons. For applications, we have scientific. Cyclotrons are used for nuclear physics experiments, and synchrotrons are used for crystallography, chemicals, and nuclear physics. For medical, they're used for imaging and also proton therapy for cancer treatment. Here are some of the highlights for the MRF13750H. As mentioned, this device is 750 watt CW at 915 megahertz. It ranges from 700 to 1300 megahertz and is a 50 volt LD MOS device. It is input pre-matched, no output match. This device is push-pull and is housed in our NI1230 air cavity ceramic package. The thermal resistance is 0.15. This device is high ruggedness and handles 10 to 1 VSWR. It is also on our longevity program and warranted availability until 2032 minimum. As you can see in the bottom left, here are some of the reference circuits that we offer. With 915 megahertz for industrial heating, also our NXP production test fixture, and 1300 megahertz for particle accelerators. If you're interested in either of these reference circuits, please contact your local distributor. And on the bottom right, you can see a typical lineup at 915 megahertz. For questions, contact your local distributor or reach out to us directly. Stay tuned for more exciting videos showcasing our industry-leading RF transistors.